Hello, my name is Drapeau. I've been involved in stem cell research for the past 18 years, and I would like to give you a quick message about Revitablu. Revitablu is all about stem cells, and it's all about a key concept that is emerging from the past 20 years of stem cell research, the fact that stem cells from the bone marrow, from anyone's bone marrow, stem cells constitute the natural repair and renewal system of the body. From the day we are born, the role of stem cells is to travel in the body, see the areas that are in need of repair or in need of renewal, and then to migrate in these tissues and become cells of these tissues. One element that is emerging also from stem cell research is the fact that while so far we have lived with this idea that as we age we reach peak health at about 20-25 years old, and after that it's a slow decline, what stem cell research is telling us is that this is not how the body works. Health is actually a balance between two phenomena in the body. On one hand, every single tissue of the body, every single organ of the body loses cell every day. On the other end, we release stem cells to go and replace the cells that have been lost. If we provide as many stem cells or enough stem cells to replace the cells that have been lost, then the body can maintain its own health. But as we age, we make fewer and fewer stem cells. So there's a point where we release fewer stem cells than what we would need to replace the cells that have been lost. And that's when the body starts to function less than optimally. So if we can put more stem cells in circulation, that means that more stem cells will be available to participate to this process of tissue repair. In fact, there is a link that has been established in the scientific literature between the ability of the body to stay healthy, to maintain its own health, and the number of stem cells in circulation. More stem cells in circulation means that more stem cells are available to participate to the natural process of tissue renewal and tissue repair. So anything that you can do to support the release of stem cells from the bone marrow is something that is going to help the body maintain itself. And that's why Revitablu was developed. Revitablu is a blend of natural plants that were all documented to support the natural release of stem cells from the bone marrow and put more stem cells in circulation. That's it. That's the only thing. Well, Revitablu does other things because plants do many things, but the key message is that by putting more stem cells in circulation, you give back that edge to your body to be able to be the best that it can be.